Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica and today we are going to be unboxing the PreCuts Classic Quilt Box. Now I think this is the box from last month and so I apologize that this is late. However, I think they had a shipping issue, so she emailed me and she was like, did you ever get your box? And I hadn't, so they resent out another one. So I think this is the March 2020 box, and because it was kind of sent out late, I didn't get the insert in it, so I don't have all of the details on it. So I apologize for that, but I did want to show you what they sent out anyways. Hopefully you guys have all had your boxes already. So let's go ahead and just take a look and see what's inside. So the first product in this box is the ceramic roller ball pen by Soline, and this is a water erasable ink pen. Precision formed ceramic rolling ballpoint gives smooth movement across fabric without snagging, fraying, or damaging the weave. And I apologize, I don't have retail values for this month's box because I don't have the insert, so I'm not sure how much everything is. And I also do have quite a few of these pens that I've gotten in boxes, and so I'm kind of like so-so on this one. They also sent another one, and this is actually a Click Tailor's pencil. This one also comes off with water, and it comes in white, blue, and pink lines. So here's what it looks like, and then you just click the end down here and your ink comes out. I don't know if you can see that one. This one is the pink one, and it comes in 3 different colors like I mentioned. This is actually the first one of these I've ever gotten, so I'm assuming the blue and white ones or pens are the same colors. That way you can kind of tell. It's nice to have different colors of these. That way, depending on your color of your fabric, you can use the one that you can see the best, and then this one will come off with water. The next thing in this box is the 9x9 100% wool pressing mat. Now I have a larger version of one of these, and you probably saw it in my holiday giveaways because I have one that's, I don't know, it's like this big. Wool is a great pressing material because it absorbs the heat and then kind of radiates it back up from the bottom side of your block. And so you're getting heat from the iron on the top, but you're also getting that pressing kind of from the back side as well. And it's nice and firm as well. So it's really good to get nice crisp seams. So this one is cute, and it barely fit in this month's box. So it is a 9x9. I think this would be fun if you're going to travel somewhere or something like that, or if you're working on smaller box, but I actually do kind of prefer my larger one. Obviously they couldn't fit the bigger one in the box though, so this one is still a fun addition. The pattern for this month's box is called Baker Street by Sassafras Lane Designs, and it is this really cute kind of oblong quilt block with a star in the center. So the finished size of this quilt pattern is 64 inches by 84 inches, so it's a really good size. But of course, when you have patterns like this where it's the same block repeated with just different colors, it's really easy to customize. You can add extra blocks or take some away and then change the size of your finished quilt to fit your needs. So super cute. And this box also came with a really fun pile of fabric in here. This fabric bundle is called Flower Girls by 5 Loaves and 2 Fish for Michael Miller Designs. And I apologize, I don't have the names of the prints or anything, but I will go through all of them with you. So here's the first one. It's a really cute floral. These are all really kind of nice, happy, Eastery colors in my opinion. Here's a fun little stripe. Blue floral. Here's these cute little dancing girls in pink. We've got them also in blue. Some blue floral stripes. And then this one looks like little flowers, or little butterflies, sorry. Some of them look like flowers. These cute little kind of Eastery rainbows. Jaxie, no. A pink with stars, blue with stars, and then kind of a darker toned of the rainbow prints. So here they all are again. There are 12 fat quarters in this month's box. And again, this is Flower Girl by 5 Loaves and 2 Fish for Michael Miller Fabrics. Alright guys, that is everything that came in the 2020 March box for PreCuts Quilt Box. I believe they still offer a table runner box, and then they have a stash buster box as well, which is just full of fat quarters. I think you get 16 fat quarters in that box, so if you don't want all of the notions and stuff like that, you can just get to the good stuff, the fabric, and go that route. I'll put a link in the description box below this video on where you can get the PreCuts Classic Quilt Box. It is a monthly box. Let me know in the comments if you got your box on time. I know she was trying to email everybody out. Some of the boxes were lost in shipping or something like that this month. Normally they're pretty good about getting their boxes out, so I don't know, it'd be interesting to see if any of you guys had problems with them as well this month. But at least she reached out to me, made sure I got my box. It was obviously a little bit late, but that's okay, things like that happen. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. I do like doing unboxings, that way you can see what's in them before you spend your money on the boxes. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next time. So it is currently so you know. Because I can't talk. Ah.